everyone, this is Dawn, living with vision impaired. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. If you're not, I'm just a down home vision impaired person. My channel is about me, day to day. I am a grandmother, mother of two, grandmother of two, and a wife. And so today's topic is how hard is it to get a job being disabled, mainly when you're legally blind? Very hard. Transportation wise, people just don't want to give you a chance. I've had a bunch of jobs. I'm not sure I had a video out there. My first job was, one of my jobs was, I worked at Kroger's, bagger. I worked at a motel, Marriott. I worked at, self-employed, cleaning up houses, contract houses. A vendor, machine, like a vending machine vendor, assistant. Worked at a cafe, like a snack bar. I owned my own store for 4 years, thrift store. I think that's all. And now I am having a hard time finding a job. So my vision is to open up me an indoor playground in my area. But my struggle is getting the money to open, because I don't want to borrow money, because open up a business, you already got your rent. And the rents around here for the size of building I need is going to be between $2,000 and $3,000 a month, plus electricity, taxes. I say taxes. Property, like working on the, whatever. Property maintenance. That's it. That's what I was trying to think of. So I'm in the real midst of this, because this is something I've been praying on, thinking of night, day, and all. I know I can do this. So I'm going to start putting YouTube channels out, making content. So my goal is making at least 2 videos, maybe a short and a video daily for the next month. See if I can get some YouTube views, and subscribers. Thank you for my 35, 36 subscribers. Thank you for my, it's going up every day, but 25,000, I think, views. I need more subscribers. 35, 36 subscribers just ain't gonna do it. I have to have over like 1,000 or more, probably more than that, 10,000. I'm not sure. So please, y'all, just subscribe. Even if I want you to watch me. If some of the topics you don't care for, and just subscribe for me, please. I need this. This is just something I've been praying about, and God gave me this idea, like, hey, work for it. Because if you go get a loan, I'm gonna have a loan on top. I'm gonna at least need 10,000 just just to have the main things. And I have some of the stuff to put in the store, in the indoor playground. And for first month, last month, and maybe the second month, just so you know you have it, plus the maybe 20,000, may need $20,000. And then some equipment. Yeah. So I figured if I do the content, get where I can get paid on YouTube doing content, I got some good ideas. I know I can do it. Just got to get out here and do it. So yeah, that's my idea. I just like to see who, if you like this idea, please subscribe to me and give me a comment. Yes, I should. And I'm in the Georgia area. Water in Macon, Georgia area. And it would be a lot reasonable than the other places that's in here. And it'd be soft play from age 0 to 10 months. I mean, my bad. Scratch. 0 to 10 years. My bad. Please, thank y'all for subscribing. The ones I already subscribed. Please review, comment, like. Thank you. More is coming every day. 2 at least, maybe more. Thank you. Love y'all. Stay kind to each other.